Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another thrilling episode where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. So, have you ever wondered what it's like to fly a human drone? Imagine soaring through the skies, feeling the wind rush past you, and experiencing the freedom of flight like never before. Well, today I got the chance to experience just that, and let me tell you, it was an adventure of a lifetime. And let me tell you, it was absolutely insane. The thrill, the excitement, the sheer joy of being up in the air was beyond words. First off, let's talk about the sheer innovation behind this $495,000 piece of tech. This isn't just a gadget, it's a groundbreaking leap in personal aviation. This isn't just a big toy, it's a marvel of engineering. The amount of research, development, and precision that has gone into creating this drone is mind-boggling. Imagine a drone, but on a much larger scale, designed to carry a human. It's like something straight out of a science fiction novel. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But this is real, and it's here now. The company behind this futuristic vehicle is Jetson Aero. They've been at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They've been working tirelessly to make personal aerial mobility a reality. Their dedication and hard work are truly inspiring, and boy have they delivered. The Jetson One is a testament to their vision and expertise. The model I got to fly is called the Jetson One. It's sleek, it's futuristic, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology. So let's dive into the specs. The Jetson One is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. The Jetson One is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. It represents the future of personal transportation. It has a top speed of 63 miles per hour and can fly for about 20 minutes on a single charge. That's enough to give you a taste of the future. Not bad for a personal aircraft, huh? It's like having your own personal flying car. All right, now to the experience itself. Strapping into this thing felt like getting ready for a roller coaster ride. Strapping into this thing felt like getting ready for a roller coaster ride. The anticipation, the excitement, it was all there. The seat is snug, and you have a joystick for controls. It's surprisingly intuitive. Even if you're not a seasoned pilot, you'll get the hang of it quickly. After a quick briefing from the team, I was ready to take off. They made sure I was comfortable and confident before I took to the skies. And let me tell you, that first liftoff, mind-blowing. The sensation of leaving the ground and ascending into the air was unforgettable. The Jetson One took off smoothly, and before I knew it, I was hovering several feet above the ground. It was like floating on air. The sensation is unlike anything I've ever felt. It's a mix of exhilaration and disbelief. You can't help but smile from ear to ear. It's a mix of exhilaration and disbelief. You feel like you're living in the future, experiencing something that was once only a dream. Flying it was surprisingly easy. The controls are intuitive, and you quickly get a feel for how the drone responds. The controls are responsive, and the onboard computer helps with stability. It makes the whole experience smooth and enjoyable. I got to do some basic maneuvers, and it felt like I was in a futuristic video game. The responsiveness and agility of the Jetson One are impressive. The view from up there, absolutely breathtaking. Seeing the world from a bird's-eye perspective is something everyone should experience at least once, but let's get real for a second. As amazing as this technology is, it's not without its limitations. This tech is still in its early stages. There's a lot of room for improvement and development. There are limitations, like the 20-minute flight time and the hefty price tag. It's not something everyone can afford or use for long distances, but the potential here is huge. Imagine a world where personal aerial mobility is as common as driving a car. The possibilities are endless. Imagine a future where personal aerial mobility is as common as driving a car. So what's the verdict? The Jetson One is a game changer. The Jetson One is an incredible glimpse into the future of transportation. It's a bold step towards making personal flight accessible to everyone. It's not perfect, but it's a significant step forward. The advancements we've seen so far are just the beginning. For tech enthusiasts like us, it's a dream come true. The future of personal flight is bright, and I can't wait to see where it goes from here. Thanks for coming along on this wild ride. Your support and enthusiasm keep us exploring and sharing these incredible innovations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech adventures. Your engagement helps us bring you more exciting content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and flying high. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.